Presenting a pre-owned 2015 McLaren 650S. This two-door convertible has an 8-cylinder, 3.8-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This McLaren is a steal with less than 4,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, Bluetooth, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, and power windows.